Good morning, students. Welcome to Science Online class. My name is Teacher Naomi, and today we are going to learn science. We are going to continue with our topic, air. Unit 2. Remember, we were talking about animal life cycle, and now we are talking about air. This is our topic today. First of all, we talked about air yesterday. Today, I want to continue and let's remind ourselves about what we talked yesterday. Students, we say that air is all around us. Air is all around us. And we said we cannot see air. No, we cannot smell air. We cannot see. You cannot see air because air is colorless. And you cannot smell it because air does not have smell. So you cannot smell air because air has no smell. Again, students, we say that air does not have color, so it is colorless. Air is colorless. Colorless. This word here, students, it means no color. We cannot smell air because it is odorless. This word here means no smell. So students, in this page, you should know that you cannot see air. See. You cannot see air with your eyes because air has no color. You cannot say that air is color green, air is color purple, air is color blue. No. Air is colorless. Something that has no color, we say it is colorless. Very good. And something that has no smell, we say that it is odorless. No smell, odorless. There is no smell. Very good. This is all about this page. And next, students, we say that air is a mixture of gases. Mixture of gases, it means gases mixed together. There is a lot of gases in the air. It is a clear gas in which living things live and breathe. So air is a clear gas. Clear gas means there is no color, so it is clear. You cannot see it. No color. Okay. What I'm saying is that, students, the air that we breathe in is very clear. No clear color like, oh, this is color blue, this is color green. No, it is colorless. Remember, air is colorless. There is no color that can define air. And it has many gases in it. That is why we say it is a mixture. Mixture means a lot of gases mixed together. Mixture. Many gases mixed together. And then live and breathe. So you are alive because you breathe in air. You breathe out air every day, breathing in and breathing out. But which air do we need to breathe in and out? We don't breathe all this air, we don't breathe them in. We use only one air, which is oxygen. Students, you breathe in and out oxygen. You breathe in and out oxygen. Oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N. You breathe in oxygen. And this was circle here. The circle that you see here, it shows the amount of different gases in the air. Amount of different gases in the air. Amount of different gases. The mixture. Now, in the air, we have nitrogen air. Nitrogen air. N-I-T-R-O-G-E-N. Nitrogen air. You see here, students, nitrogen is 78%, meaning that nitrogen takes the largest amount of gas in the air. It is the largest. It is bigger than all gases in the air, nitrogen. And this one, the part here represents nitrogen. All this part here represents nitrogen. All this is nitrogen, meaning that there is a lot of nitrogen in the air. Many. And this part here, the color green, you see, it represents oxygen. It represents oxygen, meaning that nitrogen is more than oxygen. Nitrogen is more than oxygen. And the part here, the color purple, is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. And the color brown is other gases. Other gases. Other gases. Mostly the gas that we call argon. A-R-G-O-N. Argon. Argon is a type of gas. Carbon dioxide is a type of gas. Oxygen is a type of gas. Nitrogen is a type of gas. So students, here you should know that the most of gas in the air is nitrogen because it is many, a lot more than other gases. Air is made up mostly of nitrogen. Very good. Air is made up of mostly nitrogen. And air also contains small amounts of gases like argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Small amounts of mostly mean like mostly. The largest part of it is nitrogen, and then also it contains small amounts of gases such as argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Okay, students, I hope you have understood. If you get something like this, know that the largest part is taken by the gas called nitrogen. And the following part, the second largest part, is oxygen. The third part is other gases, mostly argon. And the fourth one, the least, the smallest part is carbon dioxide. Okay, students, up to there, I hope you have understood. I hope you have understood, students. Okay, now let's continue. Now let's do this. Let us do this. Let's do this. Now look at this one, the circle. It's like the same, it's like this one. You look. Here now, let's remind ourselves of what we have learned in the first page. Now, this is the gases that we have talked about, but here we don't have names. There is no name. So you are going to write your names for yourselves. Okay, gas W. What is the name of the gas W, students? This W has taken a lot of space. We say that gas that takes a lot of space, the largest gas is nitrogen. Nitrogen, written as N-I-T-R-O, nitrogen, G-E-N, nitrogen. The gas W is nitrogen, 78%, the largest gas in the air. And the gas X. Why is X? X is air, the second largest gas. Students, the gas that we breathe in and out. Which gas is that? Do you know that gas that we breathe in and out? Do you know it? What is the name of that gas that we breathe in and out? It is called oxygen. Very good. O X Y G E N. Oxygen. Oxygen is a gas that we breathe in and out. Oxygen is a gas that we breathe in and out. Now let's continue, students. I hope you are listening. I hope you are watching. Gas Y. Y is here. What is the name of this gas? Y. The third largest gas in the air, we say it is called other gases. Other gases, especially argon. So here you can write other gases or you write argon. This is argon, written like this. Argon is a gas. A-R-G-O-N, or you can say other gases. This is, oh Jesus, look at my letter G. A-S-E-S. Other gases. This is G, students. This is letter G. Sorry for that. This is letter A. This is S-E-S. Other gases. Other gases. Okay, students, and the last gas, C or Z, this is carbon dioxide, written as C-A-R-B-O-N, carbon, and then you write dioxide, D-I-O-X-I-D-E. Very good. Carbon dioxide. You pronounce as two words. Carbon dioxide. This is gas C. Very good. Hope you are following. Okay. Let's go to the next. Our next thing here. Air pollution. Students, what is air pollution? What is air pollution? What is air pollution? Air pollution is a mixture of harmful, sorry students, harmful what? Air pollution. What is air pollution? This word here, air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of harmful. Harmful here, this word harmful means something that is not good, something that is dangerous. Harmful means not good, something that is dangerous, something that is poisonous. Harmful solid particles and gases in the air. The mixture, many things in the air that are not good, they make the air very dirty. The air becomes harmful. When the air is dirty, you know how to write the word dirty? D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Dirty means not clean. Not clean. Something that is not clean. A-N. Yes. Dirty means not clean. Something that is not clean is harmful. Now, when the air is not clean, when the air is dirty, that air is harmful. Now, students, there are the things that makes the air that we breathe not clean. There are the things that makes the air that we breathe harmful. What are those things? What are those things that makes the air very unclean or very dirty? Number one, causes of air pollution. What causes air pollution? What are those things that make the air very dirty? What are those things that makes our air unclean? Number one, forest fire. When there is forest fire, students, there is a lot of smoke coming out. And this smoke makes the air very dirty. And this air is now, you cannot breathe in comfortable because the air has been polluted. The air is unclean. The air is dirty due to the smoke in the air. Another thing is volcano eruptions. Volcano. Student, do you know volcano? Volcanic. That process whereby there is eruptions and the lava comes out, there is smoke here. So these particles in the air makes the air very dirty. And next is soot from the car enters the air. Soot from the car enters the air, making the air very dirty and clean. It makes the air unclean. Look at this one, soot from the air. Soot from the car makes the air dirty. Next things you see, in every picture there is smoke. And this smoke is harmful, not good. There is smoke here, there is smoke, there is smoke. Let's see the next one, students. Smoke from industries. Dust, particles in the air. This is dust. And then burning of fossil fuels released by harmful gases in the air. All these pictures that you have seen, students, we have what we call smoke coming out. The pictures, all of them have smoke. And this smoke is not good when it is in the air. The smoke, S-M-O-K-E. This one, this is smoke. This is smoke. And this is dust. This is dust. Dust. D-U-S-T. Sorry for that. I cannot write clearly. Oh my God. Okay, dust. This is dust, and this one is smoke. When all these things are inside the air, they make the air very dirty and clean. And now the air becomes harmful for breathing in and out, because you cannot breathe in dirty air. You cannot breathe in carbon dioxide. Students, you know, we breathe in oxygen. And when it comes now that we are breathing in carbon dioxide, it is not good. We become very sick, Mesabai. You become ill. You become sick. Sick Pasadai, I know it is Mesabai. So, and we don't want to become sick, you know. We don't want to become Mesabai. Okay. So students, these are the things that makes air very dirty. And then there is something I want you to finish with. Okay, we are finishing with an exercise. Before that, we are going in front. Okay, here is where we want to end our lesson. Now let us remind ourselves of what we have talked. Air pollution. What causes air pollution? Here we have number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these ones are the answers. So we are going to look at the picture and we identify what kind of air pollution do you see? Students, number 1, you see a lot of smoke? Okay, let's first read these words. These words, A is vehicle smoke. Vehicle smoke is like cars, lorries, trucks, vehicle, pickups, buses, vans. Those are examples of vehicles. Wildfire, like forest fire. When the forest is on fire, when the bush is on fire. And this one is factory fumes. And this one is trash, burning, waste papers. This one is deforestation, means cutting down trees. And this one is smoking, when you smoke cigarette. This one is fertilizers and pesticides. And this one, the last one, is volcano eruptions. Students, all these things are causes of air pollution. Okay, number 1, student, try. What is number 1? Smoke. Okay, number 1 is C. Factory fumes or industry fumes. Number 2, you see, all the trees have been cut down. So this is called deforestation. Deforestation is whereby all trees are being cut down. So this one is E, deforestation. I've said deforestation is cutting down trees. And number 3, this is vehicle now. This is a car. So number 3 is A, vehicle smoke. A, vehicle smoke. Number 4, these are pesticides. Pesticides to kill pests in the farm or in the garden. So we say fertilizers and pesticides. G. Number 4 is G. You watch my video and you try to follow. And this one is C. cigarette. So this person is smoking. Where is smoking? Smoking, F. Smoking, F. This one is volcanic mountain. Now this is volcano eruptions. Where is volcano eruption? Is here, H. So we write here H. Oh, this one is wildfire. The bush or the forest is burning. Right? P. P. Wildfire. And lastly, number 8 is trash panning. Trash. When you pan a lot of trash in your compound, like waste papers, old clothes, when you pan them, you pollute air. All these students are air pollution, the causes of air pollution. Okay, students, I hope you will follow my video and you watch it carefully. Our time is up. I'm going to stop there. And thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. We will continue from there next time. Thank you and goodbye.